Okay, so during the functional testing we'll be checking the behavior of the application, and it is great to functional requirements of an application to check the correctness of outputs, data validation and integration, that is inputs are correct or not. Okay, so all these are definition, you don't need to remember all these definition as it is. So the main thing which you require to remember is, okay, testing the application by giving the input and validating the output. Okay, so we'll be giving an input and making sure that the output is expected. Okay, validating the output. So if you give a username and password, a valid username and password, and do click on login button, so you should be able to see the welcome page. If you see something else, that's a invalid output and the test case will be failed. And you also have to make sure that to the requirements, right? Okay, so you might think that when you give a username and password, it should be logged into the system. So you might be thinking of that, but requirement says something else. Okay, when you log into the system, so instead of showing the welcome page, it has to be shown a preference page where user have to select the preference before he first before he see the welcome page. Okay, so maybe the requirements is talking about that, but you are assuming something and you are going there. Okay, it should not be like that. So whatever you test, so everything is matching to the requirements. Okay, so the whatever is developed and the requirements both are matching. Okay, so that's what we have to ensure. So that's about system testing.